Welcome to this tutorial video. Now that your cabinet layout is done, how do you quickly perfect the details? In this course, you will learn step by step how to generate the sink, countertop, and more, as well as how to modify the cabinet materials. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate sink. In the Design tool, select the customized cabinet. Click Customize in the floating window to enter the customization page. Select the cabinet where you want to generate the sink. In the Basic on the right panel, click to add sink style. In the pop-up panel, click Public. Then click your desired style. Next, set the installation type as needed. You can also modify the sink margins in the spacing mode. Once set, click Generate at the bottom. The sink is now successfully generated. Step 2. Generate stove and chimney hood. In the top toolbar, click Generate Stove. Select the cabinet where you want to generate the stove. In the Basic on the right panel, click to add stove style. In the pop-up panel, click Public. Then select your desired style. Next, check chimney hood style and click Add. Choose the required style from the public. You can also adjust the relevant parameters as needed. Once set, click Generate at the bottom. The stove and chimney hood are now generated. Step 3. Generate countertop. In the top toolbar, click Generate Countertop. Hold the Shift key to select the cabinets where you want to generate the countertop. Next, using the same method, add the front edge and countertop material in the Basic on the right panel. You can also set the relevant parameters as needed. Once set, click Generate at the bottom. The countertop is now complete. Step 4. Generate Toekick molding and crown molding. In the top toolbar, click Generate Toekick molding. The system will automatically select all cabinets that require Toekick molding. Using the same method, add the style and select the material in the Basic on the right panel. You can simultaneously check different parameter options to generate various types of Toekick molding as needed. Then click Generate at the bottom. The Toekick molding are now complete. Next, click Generate Crown Molding at the top. You can use the same operations to set its style material and parameters. Then click Generate. After the crown molding is generated, click Finish in the top right corner. Step Final. Modify cabinet materials and handles. On the kitchen and bath customization page, hold the Shift key and select all base cabinets. Click Style in the right parameter panel. Then click the Replace button for body material. In the pop-up material panel, click Public at the top, then select your desired material from the options below. Click it to apply the change successfully. Next, click the Replace button for door style, door material. Use the same method to modify it. Click the Replace button next to handle. Select your desired handle Then let's select the 2 drawer cabinets. Change their handle style. Once modified, change the position to the top. Finally, let's multi-select all wall cabinets. Follow the above operations to modify their materials and handles. After all modifications are done, use the shortcut M to pick up the door panel material, then apply it to the filler and end panel. If you want to make your kitchen space more, click Decoration for Kitchen on the left panel. You can choose your favorite materials to place. And with that, the entire cabinet design is complete. In the next course, we will continue to learn how to customize bathroom cabinets. See you soon! That's all, thanks for watching.